It is actually kind of chilly today. I've had my windows open. It's been cloudy. The cold air has been coming in and I am so excited. And now that the fall is real, we're bringing out the pumpkin treats. Now, when I bake at home, I only F with Einkhorn flour. So this is, they say, the only wheat never hybridized. This is the original wheat. And it says here that Einkhorn wheat has remained as pure as it was over 12,000 years ago. We work directly with small farmers to grow and maintain the integrity of this most ancient grain so you can feel great about the wheat you bake with. So if you look online, a lot of people say that if they have gluten sensitivities, they have an easier time with this. I cannot personally account for if that is true or not. If you have celiacs, I would say definitely don't go near it. But I can tell you that the experience with me and my husband is that we feel a lot more satisfied. If I make a batch of brownies or a homemade pizza crust or this pumpkin spice bundt cake we're about to make, if I make that with bleached white flour, it just doesn't feel as filling. It doesn't feel as satisfying as it does when we use Einkhorn flour. I also just love, love, love the flavor of Einkhorn flour. It doesn't really swap cup for cup with regular flour. It does absorb moisture a little bit differently. So I am following Jovial. This brand is Jovial. I don't know if there's other brands of Einkhorn. This is all I've ever used, but I'm following their recipe for pumpkin spice bundt cake. I will link that down below. I'm making some modifications with the spice level, the oil, and then for glaze and fillings, I'm going on my own journey. But the base of the cake, I'm following their recipe, and they also have a really great section in their website where they explain modifications you can make to get a better result with Einkhorn. But we are gonna stick with their recipe today, again, with just some slight modifications. And then I'm gonna make some really fun toppings. So let's stop talking and start baking. We have followed Jovial's instructions on how to get a perfect bake out of that. And now it's time to let our creative juices flow. If you are one of those people against the PSL life, this is not the video for you. Please turn back now. Maybe talk to somebody about why it is that you think you can't let people enjoy things, and then come back and let us know if you'd like. But we are gonna elevate this cake from pumpkin spice to pumpkin spice latte with some espresso syrup and some sweetened condensed milk whipped cream. All right, you guys, that is everything. This came out amazing. I am so, so excited to eat this all week. And thank you to Jovial for coming up with the original pumpkin spice bundt cake that I have used here. But just so you guys know, if you don't have einkorn flour or you have another pumpkin spice cake recipe that you like, bundt cake, coffee cake, whatever it is, you can take that espresso syrup and the sweetened condensed milk whipped cream and the drizzle of sweetened condensed milk and apply it to any pumpkin spice base that you have and turn it into pumpkin spice latte. It's super easy, it's super fun. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I am trying to post 2 videos a week now. So far, so good. Ring the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.